Propagate and grow roses from cuttings in potato is an easy and excellent way. Potatoes are the perfect environment for propagating roses. The potato provides moisture, consistently allowing the roots to grow in an ideal environment. When the potato eventually rots, it acts as a fertilizer. Subsequently, roses grow up strong and brightly colored. How to plant rose cuttings in potatoes. Dig a trench with one vertical side in a space in your garden that gets enough shade during the day. It should be around 15 cm deep. Place an inch of sand in the bottom. Choose a straight stem, about as thick as a pencil, from the roses you wish to propagate. Cut the stem at a 45-degree angle. The cutting should be about 9 inches 23 cm long. Cut just below a bud at the base. Then remove the leaves and thorns from the bottom half. You can leave a couple of leaf systems at the top of the cutting if you wish. Take a potato with higher moisture content. White or red ones are a good choice. Make a hole the exact size of the rose stem in the potato. You can do this with a drill, by hand, with a Phillips head screwdriver or a knife. Make sure the hole is a tight fit so it doesn't wiggle. Insert each cutting so that it is 2/3 buried, making sure that its base is well into the sharp sand. Firm the sand around the base to exclude as much air as possible. Cuttings should be set about 6 inch 15 cm apart. Replace soil into the trench and firm it in place. Don't damage the cuttings as you do this. Water to keep the soil moist, but do not soak the soil. Rooted roses will be ready to transplant in about 2 months using this method. You can try this trick with all kinds of rose bushes. Your friends and family will be surprised when you show them your beautiful self-grown rose.